So we are sitting here at a nice place, and it's a good opportunity to think about the conference that is just behind us, and it was on heavy ion fusion. That was the topic, and I was very impressed about the conference. So we had a lot of very high-ranking participants that have a lot of knowledge in this field, and I think the prospects of fusion have to be discussed in a broader perspective now. We see that the big experiment that has been done in Livermore with the National Ignition Facility achieved a lot, but the final goal of igniting a fusion target in the laboratory has not yet been achieved. Why this is the case is not quite clear, and I think therefore a lot of research on all aspects of fusion has to be done, and therefore it was impressive to see how much physics was reported about the properties of high energy density matter, which is, I think it is necessary that we understand these properties more in detail, and this will then finally lead to a more successful approach to fusion. There was also some discussion about magnetic confinement fusion. What we discussed here, inertial confinement, is by orders of magnitude different from magnetic confinement fusion, so the physics in many respects is different. However, there are material science issues. In magnetic confinement it's probably the diverter wall, and in inertial confinement it's the high energy density matter. So investigating matter under high pressure, high temperature, this is something that the community should do, and this is also something where the group here in Astana is starting, and I saw the development and I have the feeling that there will be good results and contributions to this field also from the group here in Astana. So the summary we had on a committee meeting is that this kind of physics is very interesting from the basic science point of view, but it also leads us to find out how we can provide in the future energy at an acceptable price and at an acceptable risk to the environment. And so we decided to continue with this series of conferences, and we will meet in 2 years from now in the city of Daejeon in Korea. Thank you.